Real time. I see what you're saying. Yeah, we can fight. We can drag all the way down, but still that would be a 150, around 150. If you're looking for the 150, yeah, 150 would be good. And Carly, well, for us, how we trade the VWAP and the POC on the small time frame. To tell the truth, I don't know. For us, does not work. But I don't follow enough on the big time frame to see if works or not. So I'm not gonna be able to tell you. Sorry. I can, take a look and see if I can see something to let you know if works or not. But I don't know. I truly don't know if works on the hourly or the 30 minutes like it does for us. Sorry, man.
Look at Lou streaming.
Lose the streaming. And I have full bars, so I think today will be good.
Are you guys still actively shopping for a new internet connection?
We don't have any. We just need to wait for that thing to go through. Man, we have I
Oh,
don't know why, but
I'm at a house.
the house, yeah, the house. Actually, we stopped talking about that. I think it's winter time, so we might slow down until
Until
spring
school lets out.
again. Yeah,
Don't disrupt the boys while they're in school.
yeah. I don't know. I wanted to move bad, but just in thinking
I don't
moving
know.
and all this shit, I don't know.
I don't know what would be taking AT&T or whoever so long to get that fiber thing done. 'Cause you're what, like 6 months in now? Feels like a long
Uh,
time.
I need to check my email, but probably I don't know if it's Ohio thing. I don't know where, but we're missing that. We don't have freaking beer, man. In the stores, we have outage of beer. We have outage of things in Lowe's. You go to Walmart, it's empty in some areas. We have outage of a bunch of stuff. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, everyone sold my beer. Yeah. Though if you're talking, we cannot hear you. I can see you lips,
Yeah,
but
I'm not talking.
okay.
Yeah, I am quiet and waiting for the open.
Yeah.
I don't know what's causing that lit thing.
Don't worry about it. Don't hurt anything.
I suspect I know. I've got a noise filter installed to take out a lot of the background noise, and my office has got like three windows on it, so dogs barking, weed eaters, and all sorts of crap. And so I've got a noise filter installed on my computer, and I think the noise filter makes my mic always look on.
I gotcha. I just click on that noise suppression
You
next to
know,
the voice connect.
when I do that, you guys tell me I'm cutting out all the time. I had to turn that off,
Ah, okay.
and that's what made me look for a different one.
Okay.
I can even hear myself cutting out when I do the whole test thing,
Oh,
and I
really?
do like a
Uh,
sentence, you know, the
yeah,
quick
yeah,
brown fox
yeah.
jumped over the lazy dog. Yeah, it's fading in and out when I say it.
Quick ladybug. That's funny. Real
Remember that from
time.
grade school?
Yeah, yeah. Real time. Just be careful. If you're holding, do not let go against you. Please, 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 because we always come back to 100%. But I forgot that we are the open. So, I just thought about it, what you said, and I just looked and saw that candle, that red candle. Like, oh shit. Do not let the trade go against you. You can re-enter, okay, if that was the
Yeah.
case. Do
And
not let the trade go against you.
one thing about the I expect it to go 100% is all of our long-term indicators are down.
Yeah.
So be careful with expecting it to retrace long when everything about the market right now is short.
Oh, I'm talking, my thing is up. How many minutes we got here? Oh, we have it again at 16,100. Just pop 100 and something. No, no, 85 there. Probably is bringing the orders down.
Nom 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 nom.
Yeah. Holy shit, man.
Telling you,
Actually, I
I
think it
I
jumped out of the way.
I think the longs need to be careful today.
Yeah.
I
I
mean, the
think,
open, new market participants when Wall Street walks in here in a few minutes, that might change, but all the long-term indicators say we've got down momentum on a volume gap with
yeah.
support about 100 points below this.
I am going to sit and watch this open. Unless something hit in my face like, get in. But if not, I am sit back and watch, observing. 1 minute, right?
Yep,
1 minute, 30 seconds, or 10 seconds.
30 seconds. 30 seconds.
I'm not gonna put even my fingers in the keyboard because I don't want to get a. I don't want to be
Oh, you're
attempted.
still keyboard trading?
Oh yeah, I always do.
Hotkeys? Yeah, I need to get the hotkeys set up.
Yeah. I don't touch my mouse just to I move like my mouse here just to talk to you guys to
Hmm.
move something, but for trading, it's
And
keyboard.
we're open.
Mm, open. Yep.
Ding 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 ding.
A nice little crew we have in the open with us.
Yeah, it's nice.
That was a good bar.
Yeah.
Real nice volume behind it.
It was.
Second half of the bar. I'll take the short off of it. Oh, shoot. I only shorted one freaking account. Dadgummit. I'll close. I got one of my three positions off.
A lot of volume coming in.
Yep, that hit the 127 on the daily.
Ooh, that's a thing. Bunch of market sell orders just came through.
Yeah, it's eating the buy notice. Look at that. Destroying.
Try this again.
Check
Oh, shoot.
this
I got
guys
into this
out.
candle too soon.
You guys look at this. Right here, eating to the downside. See it? Oh, a lot of market or participant came in.
Targets hit. That was fast.
I cannot see your trades, though, so you know.
It's too
Um,
quick.
it's yeah. It was. This was fast. I hit 20 points in like 3 seconds.
Nice. Beautiful.
I was trying to manually adjust my stop, and my targets kept getting hit.
That is crazy, man. I have a trend line. I'm gonna wait for this. Look this volatility here, guys. Check this left side of my screen. Lower the day right here.
Like that.
Oh
That's
man,
beautiful. You know
Look
what?
at
I
that.
need to use this set of fibs on my 3 minute. I bet that works.
I'm
Oh
gonna
yeah, that's something.
I'm gonna put it this to here. Oh, 188. We just touched 188. We'll have no divergency
We've
on the
got another 3 minute 188 is sitting at what price is that down there? 034.
oh, 043.75. That's the one I have.
Uh, 034,
34. Okay,
and it's based
gotcha.
off of ABCD on like a 10 or 15 minute.
Okay,
yeah, about that same one.
Yeah,
you guys sucks. Oh, my 188 is gonna work. No, don't go without me. But you see, guys, it's 188 here. Should we take it?
Yep.
Yeah, but I have no divergencies showing me anything here. We might lose the trade. Yeah, we might lose the trade, but I'm not comfortable to take the trade here, to see if it's gonna go back up. So I don't take if I don't think it worked out. You see it?
there's a lot of volume in that candle for that candle to be the
To be
size
this
it was.
little, right? It was
Yeah,
a little candle, but it was a
I
lot
like
of.
this for a pullback maybe.
We have the 188 here.
This down
Let's
candle on the
see.
1 minute, the body is as long and it's got nowhere near that much volume. So I'm gonna test a long right there.
Yeah, I just did. I'm gonna start taking profit, guys, on my trades because I'm not gonna do like yesterday. As I told you guys yesterday, I lost over 200 grand uh, because I was not taking profit. I was taking like 50 point trades and let
Trying to get
them
more out,
get
trying to get more
more.
than the market's giving you.
Yeah, and by the end of the day, I
Maybe it's
lost.
100.
What? What, right?
188 to 100. Strip it off 188.
Yeah, B points hit on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You see, that hurts me. See, I took profit and look at that shit. You see, that what
Uh,
hurts me.
and the 127 just got hit on my 3 minute move. That bigger ABCD pattern. 132 is the target if that sucker's headed there.
And you
This
guys
is a
understand?
big bar, and volume is probably about right for that bar.
I'm gonna explain this 188 here, but if you guys see a trade, stop me, okay? Doyle, Brett, and
Yeah, I'm
Ronnie.
actually looking to go long on this pullback it's doing right now. So,
Look at that 3 minute candle.
oh yeah, yeah, it's 3 minute did a tweezer setup,
Yeah.
2 freaking needles back to back.
And the 188 here that I said I was not going to get in, and then I got in. Let me toggle trades, and then I got in here. You guys can see it. Is because we came down, hit the 188, we passed through, came up, came down to the 188 again and went up, and then we started doing divergences here on the MACD, and then when I got in, okay, that was the reason. Here I was not comfortable. Here I was. Did I miss the best entrance? Yes, but I was comfortable that I was able to put a sip in it. Okay, I just want to tell you guys that.
Giddy
So
up. Come on.
we'll go to the B point. Oh man, I hate to be Greg, but no,
Yeah, I know, maybe.
Or
Let's see it.
the inverse?
yeah.
Yeah.
I hate to be Greg. I didn't mean to say that way. I mean to say, I mean to
Yeah,
sound
close my
like
log here.
I hate to be Greg saying this shit. You know, that's what I meant. Not that Greg is bad.
I'll have to cry myself to sleep tonight now.
Yeah, I know you better than that. For who knows,
Big
Greg
freaking
has,
Marine crying himself
yeah,
to
he has
sleep.
a Popeye arm. If he tried to hit me through the phone, I probably would sleep for a week.
Probably not, but
Oh man, now it's starting to get warm in here in the office. It's gonna be a fun winter for me here. God dang.
This was the candle I think I was looking for earlier. My stop is the bottom of this candle here. We'll see how that works. If this fails, I'm probably going to sit out for a few minutes. This will be my second stop if it fails.
Yeah, I'm liking it though. I'm liking it. I'm gonna sip in every single trade that I have, guys. And I am, uh, and that's the issue, sipping. But taking profit, 14 points. And slowly but surely, I'm getting there. If anybody's long with Doyle, you can keep doing it. I'm still comfortable with the trade. It's just I'm trying to recoup my money from yesterday. When I recoup my money from yesterday, I was starting to hold it more. But until then, I'm just gonna grab those
Oh, that's fine.
15, 20 points that it's giving me. But Lou, you could get 100 points. Tell me the fucking out because I'm crazy doing here, it's hurting me taking profit. But I know from my account and for the mistakes I did yesterday, I need to do that. But it's not because I'm taking profit that you should. That's what I'm saying. Like right there, had given me what 30 points instead of 15. But I put in the box.
Our third target was hit. Oof.
Nice, nice,
I
nice,
was in that
nice.
trade longer than I wanted to be.
And I hope,
Nice volume there, though. We had
yeah,
more
yeah,
volume on
yeah,
the rise up than we did on the fall. So that's promising.
yeah. And I hope this help, like when we are talking with each other like this, guys. And I hope help that
Hmm.
I told you guys that I was firm on that entrance, and I'm trying to do this more often now. Like I did not enter like Doyle did, but when I was confirming to me, and
Yeah, you actually got a better entry than I did. So yeah, when it confirmed to you, price was lower.
yeah, because I like to buy in the bottom, Doyle likes to buy in the top. So
But when the hard part is technically when I'm following my system, I trade at the second half of the 1 minute candle. So wherever that ends up being.
yeah,
The thing is sometimes in the open I get carried away and just scalp, 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 scalp.
yeah,
I'll enter like freaking 4 trades inside of a minute. I mean, it's just
Hmm.
stupid sometimes.
it is. And I'm
So
trying to be to
I'm
be
working on
solid.
that.
Yeah, trying to be
I
solid for
spent
you guys.
probably spent a couple of hours with the guys yesterday, kind of walking them through and me scalping live with folks and going through how I read the volume candles and everything.
Cool. Overtrader, you here? You alive? Miss you, brother. His mic is off. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
It's
6,
just kind
7,
of
8,
lame
9,
right
10,
now.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21 people on the
I
chat.
think I want to
20.
increase my size and have smaller profit targets, just in case. Just in case this was the freaking range.
Yeah, I was getting lots of 15, but
Switch to 15. Let me try that. I will increase my size.
oh, today's gonna be one of those burrito days because I'm hungry already.
Mm. I like the sounds of that already.
Oh man,
Taking this.
I still cannot think you eating beans as a burger. I wanna whack you. Ugh, I cannot even
First
think.
target hit, move to SIP. Second target hit.
Who's Luke gonna beat up?
Greg is eating beans as a burger. That's just wrong in so many
Black
ways.
bean burger.
Yeah, to send Lou some black bean burgers so you can try it.
Hell no.
All right, Lou, I'm not going to lie. It does not taste like Black Angus.
Yeah, you'd be
But
lying
Like
if
black
you
what?
said that. Black
but
what?
if you're
Exactly. That's what my
Yeah.
question.
Oh, too
but
early for this.
Save that for after
there's this
hours.
there's this little Mexican diner thing. It's more like a little Tex-Mex diner, not too far from here, called 10 Star. And one of the things they have is a black bean and chicken quesadilla,
Come
and I
on.
just freaking
Mm.
just
Jesus
freaking loved it.
Christ.
That's where I first really got my thing for black beans.
Believe me, I love black beans, pinto beans, all beans, but with the rice. Not freaking burger. Come on. If it doesn't move
Mm.
before die, it's not a hamburger.
And I was watching this show last night, and this guy said, the waiter says, "How do you want your steak?" He said, "Rare, like so rare a good vet could bring it back to life."
Nice. I like
Oh,
that.
nice.
I like that.
Just bring me the cow. I'll cut off what I want and ride the rest home.
Yeah.
Yes.
Almost freaking spit coffee out all over my desk just now. It's freaking running through my nose.
Yeah. We had a view
We
after
stopped at
midnight.
we stopped at the downtrend. If you look at the 5 minute from overnight,
Oh, I see.
yep, now we're back above it.
Oh, my
Got out of my
dear.
scalp too soon.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't give me ideas,
I know.
please.
Today,
I'm
I
I-
know
I'm
that
getting
these
so
days are take profit days. I know.
yeah. I'm
Use
man. I'm
me.
telling you, I'm hurt. Cause you know me. I had bought this here all the way in the bottom, and
Dude,
look
I
what
know you. You've been giving me shit for not holding.
look what I was. I was all the way here. All right, I
Uh,
was all the way here at a
yep.
hundred points. There'll be
The
my
question
100
is,
points.
but the question is, what if that 30-minute, that 2 hour, that 1 hour, that
Exactly.
daily
Came
chart was
down.
right?
Yeah.
I mean,
I
we
know.
were inside the volume gap. That
Yeah.
price could have gone either way.
And that's why I did what I did. But I want to bitch slap myself. But yeah.
Price is going to keep being this slow. I might move to scalping.
It's not
How
slow,
big are
man. It's
these
giving
candles?
us a lot of. This was 120 points. Actually, 100 points up.
Well, I mean, let's be fair. One of those candles was 44 points. 44
I'm
points of that move was one candle.
I'm looking at 30 seconds. So I have few.
Oh, yeah.
How's everybody
At
doing,
three
guys?
minute,
Okay.
Yeah, pretty
look at
good.
the 3 minute, Lou, my right chart.
Yep.
I mean, dang.
Yep. We can still be in the shoulder, right, Greg?
So we triple tested what was previously an uptrend. We triple tested it from the bottom just now. I was waiting to see if we were actually going to break through that thing and hold, because that would have been really freaking bullish. May test a little short scalp here. I like that.
In the big, oh, ate right through it. Jeez.
Yep. First target hit. Need to change the sip on this thing. It's not sipping me where I want to. I want to sip it the first prop hit target, not the second.
Let me see your thing. I'll try one of those daggone things. But I need to get out and walk me through here. Uh, how do you do this shit?
Hold on just a moment. I'm trying to
Oh,
figure out if I want to stay
just
in
do
this
that.
trade or not. Well, for a moment I wanted to stay in it.
30 seconds down. 3 minutes still up.
This feels like a small flag on the 20-30 second.
Yep.
I'm gonna famous last words. I was about to say I'm gonna hold it.
Don't let go
Winds
against
up
you.
against me here.
Sip this
That's what I was
shit.
waiting for. I can't sip it. It's
Now you
against me.
can't.
I'm about to
Yeah.
kill it. No, I can't. I was short.
That's what I said. I'm saying you could, but you didn't. You got greedy.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
I know the feeling.
Yep.
All right, tell me about this.
Now it's coming back to hit my target.
So talk to me here. You forget about that.
Um, I can't forget about it. This is the flag break I was looking.
All right, so we wait then. I can forget
I'm
about
not
it.
gonna let it go too far. I'm gonna treat that as I'm wrong.
Right at 150, we have a big
I wasn't even paying attention to where we were. We're at the
sell
freaking
order.
B point of that big freaking move.
Yeah, we are back
I
to
can't stay here.
we are back at the symmetrical triangle area as well. In real time, we are back at 100%. So you know, oh Jesus Christ,
Could be the
Doyle.
fourth wave too.
Yeah, look at Doyle. I don't know how he does this shit. I truly don't. I change my mind. Poof. I cannot get in a trade like this. I try. I cannot do it. I'm staying out, guys, because it's the view app here, and I'm trying to get high probability trades. But Doyle is killing it. Nice.
Okay. I get it. I got close. I'm gonna move that stop up.
Are you happy that you moved to Ninja?
Pretty
Remember,
happy. Oh wow.
remember,
What
yeah,
was
that's
that?
a candle. Remember how you had to do that before?
Oh my gosh. Move.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, so let me pull this up for you.
Now don't put it
I'll
in your
show you an
screen.
example.
I cannot see your
No, I'm good.
screen. Yeah,
I'll take a picture of it and post it. So You can't see that? It's not
Yeah,
good.
kinda, sorted. Yeah, you put it 3 here, 6, and target. You added 3 target, right?
Yeah, yep.
And you say 1. Stop loss is what?
Stop loss is 80, 20 points,
80.
80 ticks.
Shit, I'm not gonna
And then I
do
just
that.
drag it, and then I just drag it wherever. Yeah, you can
Yeah.
make it. Yeah, you can make it smaller because you nail your entries pretty darn good.
And profit.
So my first profit is 33. That's just over 7.
Okay.
It's 33.54.84. That way I
54,
get 7.
84.
I get 7, 11, and 15 points after commissions.
Okay. And what about stop strategy?
Stop strategy, the first target has none.
Uh-huh.
And then the target 2, target 3
Mm-hmm.
is this. At 40 points, move to
Mm-hmm.
+5.
For trigger 46, right? Plus
Yeah,
5.
yeah, yeah, yeah. At 40 ticks, move to +5 ticks.
Both are that way.
Yep, yeah, both are that way. So that whenever it hits 10 points, it moves me into cover commissions plus slippage.
Okay. Okay. Uh, I have Greg, so now I have Doyle. Replace already exists. I have already you? I
Well,
don't
how about
have you.
that? See?
Yeah. All right. I'll try in here
That's
on
this.
my scalp screen here and see how that
Yeah, I've got one of those
happens.
set up for 7 points. Another one, I've got 7, 10, 15, 20, and 30 points set up like that.
Okay. Let's see. I'll do a scalp in here and see how it works.
Now, yeah, and after the market slows down, I move to smaller profit targets.
Yeah, I can move as accordingly.
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it because it goes ahead and breaks it up into 3 different chunks for me, and I can just drag those
Just
3
drag.
wherever I want them.
Yeah, yeah. No, I like it. Real time, you might be something that just looking here, 16,200 is on this here. So, yeah, you might get your thing there.
Check out that hourly candle. Got 50 seconds left.
Do you have on your screen?
Ooh, look at that.
Uh,
I've got it on mine.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Going to the hourly
That's a
downtrend too.
long freaking wick on the bottom. You know what? That's interesting. That's interesting that
we have a
the
report right
hourly
now, guys.
pushed.
Report. 10 o'clock.
Oh,
So beware, don't get in on anything.
Says don't get in, and I put my finger on the trigger.
So at least wait for a
188
minute, all right?
Yeah. Well,
That's
I got
the
to see it. I got to see it move. I got to see it do something. I want to. I want to trade the reaction.
that's
Yeah.
the 188 too, of the fifth wave.
Oh, okay. Oh shit, I just scalped that. That's pretty neat. And went up.
Oh, that's a deep. That is a deep shark. That's a deep shark there, and I've got it at the 161 right now on that shark pattern. 188 is at 197, but sharks have a tendency to hit 223, 227, 227.
Huh. I'm gonna be like Doyle now.
I gotta,
First target hit. Sip.
I gotta grab my freaking cheat sheet.
Oh, I just got sip.
Shark pattern 161 to 224. So we're inside the reversal zone, but just barely for a shark.
What did I say? Real time? Ah, report. Ah, shoot. Well, you were very close though to it, but was a report, I said not to get in any position, but if we had to come down, it was going to go up again too. So well, Doyle, the first scalp here work out.
Real time, if you change your indicators to update on price change versus updating on tick, that'll help a lot with NinjaTrader performance. Helps a lot.
Yeah, it does because it changed my.
You know, whoever had all of those giant orders, they had those 1,000 freaking orders
Come on.
scrunched up inside of here. Ultimately, they got filled, and assuming they had diamond hands, and I would think they would if they're placing 1,000 lot orders, just imagine that, 1,000 lots, and they're 30 points in profit right now. That was a big freaking position being established there.
I just sent you a message, Doyle.
I would actually say about the opposite of what Wall Street said. If you're going to hold something, it's more cost effective to hold micros and scalp the mini. You're going to be better off on commissions that way. You'll pay 1 tick in commissions versus 3.
But you should not
So
be
if you're
doing
going to
this.
establish yeah, I was going to say, if you're going to do this, this is really for a hedge strategy, which means you need to look at longer time frames and try to pick a swing trade and go in with 10 micros on a swing trade. And then that point you would be hedging a mini. That's advanced. I would consider that a black belt topic because that can eat your account up if you're not good at picking locations.
Yeah, I don't want to even mention about this because it can ruin your account. Um, just don't. I don't.
I don't like that 3 minute candle that's been producing. That is a big body, and it should have twice this amount of volume. I don't like it. this is a steep climb too.
Come on, man. Wall Street need to stop this. I all right,
It's a
guys.
78% is the slope right now, the trend line up, which is basically unsustainable.
Yeah.
I think it's like over 70 degrees, I think it is.
Well, the thing is right here at 210, we've got the peak of a volume node.
Yeah. Yeah.
On a weekly volume a 7-day volume profile. So it might make it there. I think I want to plan on that.
It's breaking this hourly downtrend too.
First target was hit. Second target was almost hit. And I got sipped on that last one.
Yeah, just tap the 188 from the open low to the high before it on that sharp.
3-minute is very, very bullishly diverged.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, it looks
I
good.
really like seeing the momentum continuing strong like that because normally after the open it dies out.
Yeah, the five's like that too.
But with this, the opening dive barely affected. I should have seen that. That dive down on the 3-minute was bullish divergence. MACD did not make a lower low.
And we are very low to be shorting anything from here.
Yeah, it's just more if you're not in, wait for a pullback to go long.
Yeah, I would be looking for a little pullback to go long. That would be the smart way to do it, in my opinion. But today don't seems worth much. I'm real pissed off right now. You guys might want to deal with this because if it's me, I'm gonna do some stupid thing. Doyle and Robbie, please.
Yeah, no worries.
I'm not talking about the trade. The trade is doing very well. I'm talking about the chart, the chat.
Currently in a trade.
Yeah, don't worry about it. Now in here in the chat live on the voice chat, everything's good. It's just oh, this little rising wedge here, huh? kind of slowed down a little here, huh?
Go down quite a bit here.
Yeah.
Let's see. Put in a fib. And we're on 78% of the drop from 2 o'clock this morning. How y'all doing, guys? Girls? Any concern? Any issues?
I'm okay.
Good, Greg. Anybody? Yep, you got your 200. I'll telling the truth, I was not expecting to go all the way to 200 today because everything was showing down. 15 minutes is up. Was showing that we're going to go down, and this run, you can see I was all the way down here. I mean, usually I hold, but I was not feeling it, so I didn't.
I think a lot has to do with Tesla.
You
It
think?
bounced up like about like 6-7%.
Went up?
Yeah, from its low this morning, it's up like $80, which is probably like 7%, 8%.
Yeah.
Yesterday, it had that crazy like 11% drop.
Yeah, went all the way to 12.37, I think. That's what I
Yeah, it's
remember.
crazy.
12.37, yeah. I think it was just Elon tried to buy more. So it's like, I don't want it this price. I want it to go to this price. So he says something stupid, go down, he buys it, and then starting to go back up. And then everybody say, oh, Tesla's 10% down. Let's start buying again.
Yeah, exactly.
And there it is.
I need to redraw these fibs. We're playing inside this range now.
Doyle, Zach is asking for on a price change, you mean all indicators including volume up and down?
Yeah,
'I don't see it entrance point here, man. I want to get there on this, but
88% retracement of our overnight high.
yep.
And we're at a volume gap between here and the daily pivot.
Yeah, remember that the gap I was giving an example of today. Remember, guys?
Yep.
That is the gap right here. So should we get in here? No, we should wait. This we're probably going to consolidating here to give strength to bring through it. So
Yeah, like a little pullback too, probably.
yeah,
Yeah, I mean the 5 minute hasn't taken a breather yet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, off that steep line you were talking about.
yeah.
Yeah, it still hasn't broken that line, which is crazy.
Yeah, the wedge.
Yeah. Hmm.
Yeah. We might reach all the way to that pivot point there.
I think that's what it wants, to be honest.
Yeah,
I think that's where it's headed.
I think so too, man.
Just might, it really should have a pullback before it gets there, to be honest.
Yeah, yeah.
And that's another 40 points of just grind. We do have a trend line break here that it's about to flirt with.
The wedge.
Um, well, yeah, the uptrend in general.
Yeah, it's on it right now.
Yeah, I'm going to try a short scalp off this here. Stop is that high from a couple of candles ago. As soon as I enter, a bunch of buyers step in trying to keep that trend line alive.
I would expect to make a little sideways move or type of flag or something here for continuation, but
First target hit. Move to SIP. Second target hit. Moving my SIP forward. SIP'd.
remember what we did here. We come down, push back up. We come down, push back up. Now we are coming down. Let's see if we push back up. Yeah, Brett, I'm too. That was a nice entrance. POC's here, guys. I just noticed. That makes sense for us to be here for a little bit.
Trendline retest. I was looking away typing. Didn't pay attention. That would have been a great reentry.
Yeah, I'll have to adjust a little bit to get that. Yeah, right there.
Like 7 points. Took one off at 357.
Little bullish harmonic pattern there.
Yeah.
Wonder if that could be the fourth wave.
One, two, three, four. Yeah, could be. When you were expecting a little push down to keep on going up,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, could be coming in to retest the hourly downtrend that we broke.
Yeah. That trend you're talking about starts at what 6:30 my time, or no?
Yeah, so it's at
What's that?
yesterday at the open,
Yesterday.
that high, and
Yeah.
then
94, 394.
3 in the morning today. So that would be midnight, I
Yep.
guess, your time.
Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah, that's the one I'm talking about. Yep. Cool.
A little buy orders here. The volatility's picking it up a little bit. Yeah, look like fourth wave, Greg. It's nice call there. Volatility is very, very high still. Have you guys noticed that?
Yeah, it's definitely picked up a little bit these last 10 minutes.
Yeah. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, look the DOM right here.
Mm-hmm.
You can see how it's moving. So you see that a lot of people in the
Could be an
market.
ABCD down.
That would be huge, man. If it's ABC down.
Well, I mean, just for the fourth wave.
Mm,
Like we're making the
On the
third
1 minute,
wave.
yeah,
talking
the
about,
1 minute looks like it's working on its fifth right now, right? Fifth wave
yeah,
down.
working fifth. Ah, okay. I was thinking fourth wave up.
Which,
Fifth wave up.
this is working on its fifth wave down on the 1 minute, which could just be the first flag this thing has made all morning.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's, yeah. Mm-hmm. And then that just hit the hourly retest. Almost want to go long on this candle.
See if this prints that D leg on the 30-second for that. I can see it on the 1 minute too, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yep.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's got the right divergence to pull it off too.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
And that would take us to the pivot point.
I think I'm going to take that and do that. Ugh, that is not agreeing. But Yeah, this is going to fail.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? You don't think it'll make a new low off of this?
I don't think so.
I do. I'm closing it.
And yeah, that 1 minute candle was ugly. A lot of volume.
I just heard a beep. Is that me?
First target was hit.
A lot of buyers are starting to get in here. Huh?
Yeah, it's battling at this trend line.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. You've got a trend line there?
This is the hourly trend line
Yeah, I
that
have
we
a.
broke in. We've retested like 2 or 3 times.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying right here. This red trend line that I have in here, that's what I'm holding for. If it break this and close to the downside, yeah, I'll say we'll break through it. But if it still holds here, I'm
I don't
okay with
have
this
that on that
trade.
stupid chart.
Yeah, you see
Yeah, it's
how.
just the last two
There we go.
downtrending resistances on the hourly.
Yep, I grabbed it.
Mine's at 30 minutes, but it can be, right? Yeah, now I don't like it because look how broke. Yeah, that I
Yeah,
don't
now it's
like.
breaking. Yep.
Yeah.
That almost hit my second profit target. Missed it by one freaking tick.
Did not close under yet.
Hit
Still
my
fighting.
sip.
The 30-second candle was indecision.
Yeah.
Doji with decent volume.
There was a lot of volume in that candle 2 candles ago for that body size on
Yeah.
the 1 minute.
And if you guys looking at 3 minutes, this could be just the second wave.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the first. Oh, yeah. We should have fibs on that move.
Yeah, the five
At the
minute. This
23
is
ish.
yeah. This is the first time it's taken a
Oh, we're
breather
at
on the
23?
5 minute.
It just dipped below the 23, but it's coming back up to it.
Yeah, it stopped right between the 23 and 38.
Right.
Yep.
Known that, I would not have entered short again.
Back above the hourly trend line.
Might be an inverted head and shoulders here for Greg.
Yes.
Making the head, you mean?
Right shoulder now.
Oh, like a 5 minute or 15 minute.
No, like a 30-second or 1 minute maybe.
Uh,
Left shoulder here.
okay.
I mean, it doesn't really have the momentum I like, to be honest. I think I'm going to close this short because I do think it wants to go up from here.
You got it right on that line, right, Robbie?
Yeah, it's right on it right now.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Hey Jeff, is that a question for one of us, or you guys are talking? Yeah, okay. Do you look at previous day close, high and low? I don't. I look at it, but I don't mark or do anything. Doyle putting some trend lines on it time to time. But in my opinion, no, I don't. But I don't know if Robbie does, or Brett, or
I just look at it for relativity of where we're at on the day.
yeah, that's what I do as well. Just meaning what area we are in so far. But
Yeah.
hmm Yeah, I don't market or anything. Sometimes I'll end up being, if you look at the fibs overnight, sometimes they'll end up being like the 100%, the high of the day before. But
Now,
I don't like market.
if we're at all-time highs, I might mark that just to know where that's at.
we play patterns, man. We play patterns, break trends, reverse on fibs, but all patterns. We do not look regions. We do not look anything like that. Just patterns. Yeah, Zach, that's the way I personally do. You can uh you can do more if you like, but start at daily and go down. Sometimes I go 120 and 30. Sometimes I do 120 and 60. So I do 120, 30, 10, and then 120, 60, 15. So it depends uh, how is the volatility.
I'll just see what you thought of that green candle, Doyle.
Volume's behind. It's having a hard time to break this little downtrend here. But we knew that was going to give us a little pullback, right?
Mm-hmm.
Before breaking to the upside.
Good morning, everyone.
Hey, Mello.
Mellow.
Did you guys see that? That was the perfect short.
Did he short it?
Did
No,
he
I haven't
short
traded
it?
at all since what?
There's a bear shit in the woods.
Uh,
That's a good one, Greg.
It's a classic.
Pretty funny.
we are holding this trend line, huh? I'm gonna,
We are. We are. It does not want to break the flag.
no, I'm gonna change this to purple.
Oh wow, we have a bunch of new traders here.
Yeah, we do. Yes, we do.
Oh, hi everyone. I'm new too.
Yeah. Hi, my name is Mello. Don't pay attention to what I do. Just look at it. Right, Mello? If you think Doyle's crazy on his things, you need to see Mello doing it. Where is he at? Mellow.
I think he left or something.
Yeah.
Oh, good. I hated that guy. God.
Oh my gosh.
Mellow, how you been, man? Oh,
Doing well. About
Mellow.
to go on vacation.
Nice.
Where you going?
I like this break.
Just going to Atlanta.
Nice.
Gonna visit Jack.
Visit who?
Jack. Jack lives in Atlanta. And Brian, I think, lives in Atlanta as well. My goodness, this thing is.
Boring. Slow.
Yeah, Jesus Christ.
I don't like the volume behind what I'm seeing here.
Yeah, I don't know if
It's
it's gonna.
breaking down.
Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna hold this purple trend now or if it's gonna follow the trend down, you know?
It's breaking down.
Short.
Sure, sure. Yeah, mellow. I think it's taking all the weak hands
Famous
out of the
last freaking
way.
words. Yeah.
Take all the weak hands and now that's a nice break, Greg. Let's see if it holds
Mm,
there. The position is bad because it's not all the way down, right? But
mm.
we did not break the 38, so can still be a flag. But look at that, brother. Jesus.
Say something else, Lou, so I could come down.
Uh-uh. I wanted to go up. Uh. Come on, do our delag now. You can do it.
No, it's not gonna give me a red candle. Hey, bitch. I was going to get in this, but missed it.
I can understand what Brad say.
Ah!
Now I
Yeah,
did.
yeah.
Hear that?
I understand that. You're
And
mad. Translation, you're mad about the markets not moving.
Right,
Nice.
right, right. I missed something. I missed
Yeah,
something.
he's,
yeah,
he's trying to get in. He,
Yeah.
but it won't give him a red candle. I hope it gives him no red candles the rest of the day.
yeah. Me
Yeah.
neither. I hope so too. No, 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 no. Go back up.
Give me like 180 straight green candles.
Yes. Is that technique that some people use? That's 88 candles, right? Green candles, and then they short. It's something like that,
Well,
crazy like that.
I've heard of a 21 candle that way. When you've got 21 consecutive highs, higher highs or 21 consecutive lower lows, you play the opposite direction on the trend line break.
Like magic, huh?
Yeah, I think they call it the 21 gun salute or some crap.
Oh, Jesus. Or it's 88 or 100 and something six or something. But who the hell is gonna count in six? You know?
Yeah.
I don't know. Whatever. This is all good. I,
How's everything with you, Lou?
good, good, good. I cannot complain, man. If I complain, nobody listens anyway. So why complain, right?
I feel a lot better a month ago. I mean, better than a month ago.
Good.
Trying to get over that girl.
Something like that.
Something like that. One door closed, another one opens, man.
And if not, jump out the window.
Yep. A big order there. I don't
and
know
that
how
that is
big it is, but
and that is exactly what I did.
oh, ate right through. Oh, put it back it again. Ate right through again. Uh-oh, that's bearish. He's coming to get Brett now, I guess.
Well, I don't know if I want it now. Shit.
Right?
Maybe a
There
C
it is.
point for that C point to go back up.
Oh, another big order. I don't know how big it is, but yep, ate it right through again and put him back it again. Ate right through again. Holy moly.
It would be nice to see a falling knife.
Oh, don't say that,
Oh, you
man.
missed that, man. You missed it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, that
Without
was
a doubt, you
yesterday.
missed it. Well, no, this morning too.
Wait, that's the opening? Oh
Yeah.
my
Look
god.
at my 3-minute candle, man. I'll zoom out so that you can see it. It's on my right chart.
I like that hammer candle there, eh, Doyle?
Eight,
Or what
eight
do you think?
oil.
Uh, it really should have had more volume than
Yeah,
that. Yeah.
Mm.
gotcha.
Brett, I hope you took it. I hope you sipped it because I'm not gonna give you another. Come all the way down here just for you, huh? And he didn't. For his laugh, I can see already. Man, I'm still on the trade since 10 o'clock. Holy, what time is it? It's 11, 10:57.
I'm starving. I'm gonna get something to eat.
I just ordered my burrito.
Oh, fancy.
Fancy. You ate fancy burrito yesterday.
Yeah, tofu burrito, man.
A tofu
Whoa.
burrito. tofu burrito and then beans hamburger. I don't know what's wrong with you, man. I tell you what.
Yeah, it's just stuff that was lying in the fridge. I don't even know where it was
How
from.
old it
I assumed
was?
it was tofu.
All right, Lou, I'm going to be taking a small position.
Which way?
That's great.
God dang, Mellow.
Nice.
Uh, so for those that were chatting with me this morning about the Apex trade copier and using, why they recommend not using SEM, the official answer that I got back is the reason to not lead with SEM is because SEM can and will take trades where others cannot because it will always get filled. And if it's able to get a trade and the followers cannot, it leads to reversed trades when it gets out and others think that they're getting a signal.
Hmm.
So you might get filled, but your account
Oh,
can't.
I actually haven't had that problem.
That makes
I
sense.
haven't I haven't had that problem.
It's probably less likely. It's probably less likely in futures because it's so liquid.
That could be. That could be. But that's also why I keep the account data up to show all my open positions. That way, if anything ever does happen, I can just right click flat.
Oh, that's a nice candle with a nice volume behind. Only 30 seconds. Come on, baby. You can do it. Right, Zach. Please. Alright, that's enough consolidation. Let's go up. NQ. Come on. Be a 50 point down now. There you go. She's listening. She's a good girl, man. Telling you. I keep telling you, guys don't believe on me. I wanna out of this trade. This damn trend line.
Yeah, Shadowline's a pain in the ass.
I even put it dotted so I can go through it. Oh man, looking at all this food, I'm hungry.
uh,
Ah,
I want this shit to come down.
you shush
Oh
up.
shit.
I'm gonna cut you off of this
Okay.
group.
Timeout. I'm in timeout.
Hold on. Oh yeah, let's put a Mellow in timeout. Damn Mellow. Look at that. He said that and he'll listen. I'm freaking starving. I was with my wife last night. It's like, woman, what the heck is going on? We have nothing at home, you know? So this thing to be eating out every day, all this shit, I don't want this. I guess you're placing a big order today for food.
I was going to say, Mallow, you
oh,
should have been up last night
I
at 3
see.
a.m.
I get what Mr. Black is talking about. So if you set a limit order somewhere, the SIM may get in the limit order when your real accounts don't. And
Ah,
then when your
okay.
SIM closes those orders, it'll open orders in the opposite
Yeah,
direction on the other accounts. See, that's
that
not a
makes
thing for
sense.
me because I don't
Yeah,
place limit orders.
yeah, yeah.
So when I
But,
market orders, I just say all order. Perfect sense. That makes perfect
Oh
sense.
yeah, yeah.
you do have limit stops and limit fills though. Like limit.
I I do, and that's why sometimes one will fill and the other won't.
I
And
have
that's where
all
I just
my
have to pay
market.
attention. How do I do a stop market?
You can do a stop market anywhere. Look,
Oh,
sell,
let
stop,
me
limit,
hop
or
back over to
market. So you can choose which one you're gonna do it. You can also buy market or buy limit.
that.
You can choose.
Can I do that with my fancy brackets that I use?
Mellow, did you short that shit? You did, didn't
Not
you?
pushing it freaking down.
10 contracts in.
Yeah, 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 yeah. I knew it. I'm almost dropping this position just because I'm tired to wait. And as soon as I drop, it's gonna get to my what I want.
I mean, that 5 minutes still looks like a flag to me.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
agree.
it does.
Kind of rounded on the bottom, but yeah, I agree.
Can still be the actually it's a little bit more than extend what I want for the second wave, but we can push. Yeah, we'll be live tomorrow. Jeff, why would not be live tomorrow? Is it a holiday or anything?
Nothing fancy
Ah,
about tomorrow.
vets.
I
Yeah,
think,
we'll be.
yeah.
If the
Oh,
market's open, we are open.
yep.
Unless like half day. Like for Thanksgiving, it's open half day. I don't do half days. If you guys need it for a combine or something like that, let me know when we do after hours for couple trades. Uh, I can
Yeah,
hop
sometimes
in.
on those half days, I jump in for maybe the first 30 minutes of the open. After the first 30 minutes on those half days, man,
Rough.
it can be hit or miss. Yeah, and the open trades a lot like UK. It's not nearly as liquid as it normally is.
Yeah, Brian, my nephew, he's not gonna be with us this week. This week is the week that he lost his mom when she was 35
Oh,
years old. So, she had a heart attack by taking medicine for lose weight. So this week is,
really?
yeah, yeah, man, it was horrible. But this week is it's pretty rough for him. So he just sent me a message again. So it's all messed up.
Yeah, tell him you're thinking of him.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, that's terrible.
yeah. It was about 7 years ago, but I think those things never, you know, get out, go away, right? I'm hoping for this to be the sideways that I was talking about to break through it to that big gap. Let's see. Let's see if you will. Let's see if will.
Mhm.
Zach, now is just the Thursday. That's Thanksgiving. It's just half
Yeah, I
day.
think Friday's just a half day,
Yeah.
or is Friday a full day?
Friday, I think it's a full day. Thursday is the half
Yeah,
day.
I'll have to look. I've got the calendar in our welcome section. I can check after I get out of this trade.
Yeah, yeah, I can. Getting some pump here, guys. Come on. Come on, NQ. Mel, I hope you took profit on your trade. I'm sure you did. You scalp machine. Come on, pump this thing. I'm hungry. Let's see what my burrito is. Ooh, they are there. waiting to pick up my order. I think I'm gonna drink a beer too today with my lunch. We're gonna try to get one here. I'm gonna put my stop below the consolidation here. Though you still not convinced that we're going to go up, huh?
I got sipped.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
I was going to enter on the purple trend, but I didn't want it to go back up without me, so I entered a little bit before.
Yeah.
Oh, you went long there, Lou?
Yeah, I'm still long from in my other accounts, but I'm
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
long. I'm long since 10. Hold on, let me toggle
Yeah, I
trades.
was just looking at this particular trade here.
Yeah, 10:14. I'm long. Yeah, this I went long because I think it's gonna go up. It's just consolidating to
Yeah,
go
yeah, I still
up,
do.
you know. But it's consolidating too much, more than I would like.
Mm-hmm.
However, I just want to put in. I just have two accounts on this trade. I want to put some more skin on the game. That's what the heck is that?
Oh, that was me.
Stupid question. Will be able to trade on the UK session on Thanksgiving? I believe so. Yeah. I don't think UK closed.
No. No.
No?
No. It's the U.S. Chicago Mercantile Exchange. The U.S. schedule runs the entire exchange.
Ah, okay, cool. So no, no.
Yep.
Reopen. Usually I did not look, but I usually reopen at
Look in the
9.
holiday
Oh,
schedule
Brett,
under
Brett
welcome.
just posted. Brett just
Okay.
posted.
Yeah. I mean, versus guessing, it's
Exactly.
there.
Yeah, yeah. That's true. I should not guess. Uh,
It's acting like it wants to break down before it goes up.
it does. It does.
On the 15 minute, look for a 5 day.
15
We
minute.
shall see.
Oh, Thursday we
Oh
are.
yeah, yeah. That's like a pennant on the 15 minute.
Mm-hmm.
So hold on. So on Thursday we. No, that's confused now the way this one reads.
Okay, it shows Wednesday. That's the times. There's no open on Thursday.
Ah, opens at 12. Okay. Very complicated calendar. Lordy, lordy, lordy. Do you think we're gonna be sideways like this all day?
I don't know. We might be.
That would be awful.
It would be, man.
Makes you want to just take a position, put your stop below the flag, and walk away.
That's what I did. On my scalp, I have my stop under the view app. It's like, forget it. I'm gonna leave that, let this go up and down, up and down. And this one has a little bit tighter.
Come on, falling knife.
Quit it. Let's see, go against you. 6 points is nothing. Boom. Look, 6 points, 7 point, 8 points. To go your direction, 8 points. Holy shit.
Yes, keep going down.
Did anybody check the high time frames?
Let's see. 60 minute is up. 30 minute is up with the check engine lights on. 15 minute is bending down. I mean, remember, we still haven't hit the 38% yet.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So, we're still inside that valid range.
And you know what? That's a good point. I'm gonna move this to the right below the 41, and I'll add it more if it goes down there. think this is gonna bring the POC down, which is not a good thing. Uh, and remember yesterday, I think the same thing happened too. We got sideways like this. The POC was above or right on, and the VWAP was below and stayed like that all day long. To break to the upside in here, we need to go above this POC and stay above this POC for a little bit for us to be able to break through it and go to the upside, in my opinion. Until we do that, we are kind of, floating.
Can expect a falling knife. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Looks like those 10 contracts are paying.
You going with 10 minis on that or
Micros.
micros?
Micros.
10 biddies.
You should shave some off here, man. You should take off at least half right here. In my opinion, because this is a possible reversal area, although it is getting more bearish.
It is.
Could be an ABCD down. So what fib are we at on that?
We almost hit the 161.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, 161's at 143.
Let's
there
go.
we go. Yep, got it. On that 161, the 150 is right on the 41.4. We tap that, we tap that. So
Yeah,
We need to have the 150.
what's that? Yeah, that 150 is a real thing.
Yeah, I don't use it, but I feel like it's always hit.
Yeah, if nothing else, you should have it on there for head and shoulders. That's a very reliable profit target for head and shoulders. 150% of neck to head.
Yeah, I remember you saying that.
Man, I wish this 3 minute had more of a prevalent viewpoint on this bullish harmonic. Looks very wavy though, instead of sharp like I like it. Yeah, what's that?
That's the 50 and the 188.
It is speeding back up. I That was a nice reversal candle there. Had the volume you would expect to see. And there was some stopping power in the candle before it, so it makes that reversal candle look even more correct. Got to that 50% retracement too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Breaking it down.
I think I'll test a scalp off of this, but I want to wait to the second half of the candle to see. Yeah.
Right shoulder on the 30-second inverse on the shoulder.
Yeah, there you go. You redraw fibs on my smaller time frame to get that last profit target set. That's not good. That profit target really should be that B point.
61 retracement is right at the S1.
Yeah, that 61's near a resistance I had at the open that it broke. That it never came back and retested.
Hmm.
About 109.
Yep. Three looks pretty strong downside though. No divergence yet.
Yeah, and there's good volume on these red candles.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Side note, what I can't believe how much nicer a good mouse is. I got it yesterday. Uh, Went from a $10 one to a $40 mouse. It's nice.
Those are the trade, man.
It's the little things. 30-second candle had good volume on it.
Look to see if it might set up as inverse head and shoulders, potentially.
Yeah, yeah. If you're not in, yeah, try to get that neckline around 151 ish.
Mm. I'm taking that the 161 for the ABCD pattern. That wasn't high probability, was it? I'm looking at the all the MACDs were red, pointing down.
It turns around what, like the 200 or something.
The
241. Turn it to 241.
Oh, the bigger one. Okay, I
241.
got you. The bigger, yeah.
Oh yeah. You know, I took it off when it had that big hammer, which was stupid. I should have left it on until it hit the 100. But that 261 and 61 lined up really nice. That would have been like the high probability entry with that 261, the 61, and the retest of resistance that's downtrending as support now.
Maybe we'll do the right shoulder here.
I like the divergence on it. There, that's setting up, anyways.
Yeah,
Doyle special.
those special. Oh man, I just ate the burrito. Whew. Full.
I just ate two.
You feel like a new man, Lou?
Yes, yes. I was going to describe burrito, but it would not sound right, so I didn't.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, we're
You don't
still on
want us
YouTube.
ragging on
Yes.
you all day.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. So I was like, you know
we
what?
gotta keep it PG-13.
Yes.
Right?
I was going
Oh,
to, but
please.
said, you know what? No, I am not doing that.
That's awesome.
That's freaking hilarious. Hey, could
Uh,
this be the fourth wave on the 5 wave down on 3 minute? Potentially.
oh shit,
It
can't
could.
Yeah,
freaking Greg.
It
it
could
could
be.
be
God dang
raining on everyone's long parade.
it. Yeah,
I mean,
It could be though.
for sure.
Another thought to consider is, we were looking at leg one, and it's not uncommon for leg two to go deep. And so this ABCD down could just be a corrective wave setting us up for a really beautiful third leg.
Oh, geez, that would be
Yeah.
huge.
I mean, if
Yeah,
you look at
there's
the
time frame
15
start
minute,
to shift.
yeah, if you look at the 15 minute, um, we lost a little momentum, no, on that drop.
So the 2 hour is starting to curve and the check engine light is on. The 1 hour is kind of bullish. Volume's still down. 1 hour suggests it might want to come down. 30-minute is up, but the check engine light's on. 15-minute is up with the check engine light. So hard to tell, to be honest. I'm playing it to this B point and getting out. Actually, I'm going to be a chicken and get me halfway in the 127 at B point, and I'm gonna be
I knew that
happy.
was coming.
I got this thing from this truck stop. Oh,
Oh shit. He
Jesus, what
didn't.
the
He
hell?
didn't. That's the yellow chicken that as a law
yes, it
enforcement we
is.
carry. Yeah, I mean I recognize this voice a mile away. This voice, this noise a
Oh my
mile
God.
away. Oh
Yeah.
Jesus.
There's a truck stop around here called Bucky's, and they had like a 55-gallon wooden barrel of those things,
Oh
and all
yeah.
these kids are walking past it, and the parents are like, "Don't touch
Squeezing.
it! Don't touch it! Don't touch
Yeah.
it!" And I walk up to that thing, and I put both of my hands on the top, and I just push down.
Yeah.
And all the kids are just looking around like, "Oh my gosh, he pushed!"
Nice.
Yeah, then my kids couldn't resist walking over and like laying on top of them, and yeah, we were setting really bad examples inside of Bucky's.
For sure. Oh man, recognize
And
that
they're very
one.
funny that you have the
Yeah,
chicken
yeah. It was.
next to your desk.
But what was funny is I had this at Southwest at my desk, and there was somebody all the way across the floor that had one too. And when it was just too freaking quiet on that floor, one of us would do this, and then the other one would respond.
Oh jeez.
Yeah, we actually did a dueling chickens one time. Wah, 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 wah.
Oh my lordy.
Wow. We have gone to a new level. We've gone to a
We
new level
went too
here.
far, right, Greg? We went too far.
From rubber
It's
to
only
chickens
Wednesday
now.
too. Jeez.
Oh,
Yes.
B point just got hit, guys.
Bark, 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 bark.
Do do
That's
do 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 do
mm-hmm. That's what I
do
just
do do
heard.
do do do.
Yeah, I got out with you, Doya.
Bark,
I
bark,
guess
bark,
it's
bark,
just
bark,
Smart
moo.
man,
bark.
smart
It's
man.
just moo.
Bark, 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 bark,
Everything
bark.
after the B point is greed.
Like Lou. Hey, a big order just got under this. Oh, just got chewed
When
too.
when all the longer time frames are still kind of bearish. Hey, yeah. Oh shoot. Hey Lou, check out my 15-minute.
No.
No, we could have just finished the right shoulder on a 15-minute, an inverted right shoulder.
Oh yeah, I like that. Then I watch.
See that bad boy?
Yeah.
And it has my A plus divergence.
Yeah, we need to look to
That would have
break
been a
this
good one to
trend.
drop a couple of micros on to swing it.
To break this trend right here.
Like that, do you?
Zach is like, I'm laughing at work. All these new guys.
Yeah, this is what they're paying for.
Yeah, oh my goodness. Hey, we make money, but we have fun too. Now I'm gonna have this thing in my
This
head.
motto. We had this motto in that MLM I was in that I actually liked. I'll type it out here because I believe everybody should live by this. Make
Just do
money.
it.
Okay. Nope. Here you go. There you go.
Gonna get zapped. Yes. No. Go back up.
You know, I'm looking at this run, and I don't see a flag anywhere near current price. Somebody
Who?
was
What?
trading tight.
Who? What? No, I'm putting under the view app. That's
Oh,
what I
all
did.
right. So check this out, man. I've been really enjoying this. Let me clear the drawings off this bad boy. Check that out. You see that blue dotted line on my right chart? I'll just
Yeah.
boom.
Yeah.
That is the weekly VWAP.
Okay.
No, it's not. That's monthly. Blue monthly? Yeah, blue
Collie
per
was
month.
asking me about those view apps today. I told him that I have no knowledge on it, so I couldn't
Yeah, I
answer
did
his
this.
question.
I did this to just keep a. I wanted to see how well price responds to these areas, and look at that monthly VWAP. Resistance, 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 support and resistance,
Yeah.
support, support. Now it's resistance again. Dude, that monthly VWAP is a freaking thing.
Hmm.
Does beg the question though, where's my freaking weekly? Oh, my
Oof.
weekly
I
is
did not get sipped. Yeehaw.
my red VWAP. Where the crap is that? Oh, there it is, way up there. So the purple is my daily VWAP. The
I cannot see
blue
the
is the
purple.
monthly VWAP.
Oh. All the way there. Okay.
And then this freaking red way up here, that's the weekly VWAP.
We're way off then.
I should change those colors. I think red should be
Yeah.
monthly.
Hey,
I'm gonna make
we are breaking. Oh, nope. Again. I think now we're gonna break this. Hopefully. I don't like this candle. Was very volume. Was very behind it. Look how much volume behind that little candle. I
mm-hmm.
don't like it.
Yeah. I threw in a chart in the group with a really important resistance in the 5 minute.
Ah, yeah, I
Ooh,
saw you're there.
I like that. Like a real purple, not indigo.
Oh man, that's
Indigo is
gonna
just
be a
dark.
M. You on a bet?
Oh, this is just an engine ABCD down.
Yeah. One of the two things is gonna be ABC down, or it's gonna come to sip me and go back up. One of the two.
Hey
Guarantee.
Lou, are these colors better for you?
I see blue.
Huh, I like those colors.
No, why
I
I
changed the
can't?
purple.
Oh yeah, blue all the way to the top. Blue here. Okay.
Yeah, blue's at the top, red is the monthly, and
I don't
purple
see
is the
red though.
daily. Red?
Yeah,
Dude,
where's
red
the
is
red?
this almost straight line right there.
And that's the monthly VWAP.
Yeah, that's the monthly. That sucker is powerful.
Do you just put that on like the 1st of November? How do you put that?
No, so in Ninja Trader, that's actually one of the settings. You can set your time period.
Or you can put like a monthly VWAP and it'll just, I guess,
Yeah,
do the last like 30 days.
yeah, yep. Well, no, not the last 30 days. It starts over on day one of the month. See the
Oh,
reset
okay,
engine?
gotcha.
You can do it on session, week, or month.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah, I saw that there, and I'm like, I'm gonna play with that. And
What
yeah,
she said.
Oh my goodness.
Wah, ha, 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 ha. There's Jack.
That's Jack. Imagine if Jack was here when I was talking about the burrito.
Now I was waiting for you to go into detail.
Ah, you're here. No.
I was waiting for Lou to be like, "Oh, this juicy was big, thick, and juicy," and
Jesus Christ, he said it.
I could hardly wrap my mouth around it.
Oh my goodness, shut up.
And there's Jack.
Yes.
And this is what we pay for.
Yeah.
You
Man,
left out the scholarships inside, Jack.
I'm gonna
It's
get
like I
sick.
got it all over my face.
Wow. Wow.
Don't you need to do something? Watch TV or
I,
Nope.
I mean, probably should.
yeah.
Or yeah, like move to 3 point scalps. 3 points, 3 points, 3 points, 3 points, three
I
points.
know I was talking about Jack. Maybe he needs to find some
Oh,
more pubs to clean up their poops or something.
Nope. I'm here for you, Lou.
I see. That's what scared me.
hey Jack, did you see the Lilu sale through this week?
Veterans Day, yeah.
Yeah,
You see the video I posted in general?
video.
No. Despacito.
Oh, somebody put some freaking practice in.
Why I cannot hear? Why I cannot hear?
I open stuff like that outside of Discord.
Let's see here. Oh shit.
Introducing Lucia, the easiest and most accurate way to prospect. Simply sign up for free.
Holy moly, that thing went loud. Oh wow. He's
Oh my gosh.
holy shit.
So y'all able to hear me at all?
Yeah, I can
Yeah,
hear.
I can hear you now.
Yeah.
Oh,
I can hear
okay.
the
I'm
chicken
having a hard
too.
time hearing you over this rubber chicken.
Yeah.
I might have to bookmark this. I don't think I'm going to be able to get enough of it.
How the hell he? You know how many times he had to try this shit to do right?
Oh, that is spectacular.
It is, man. Holy
He's got a series of them.
You guys serious? Of course you're gonna find that out. Darn. Oh, got sipped, guys. Got sipped, got sipped, got sipped.
And now it has permission to go up.
Yeah,
Oh
right.
my god.
What are you doing now, Dory? You watching this shit?
Dude, look at my screen.
What?
What the heck is that?
He's beating the chicken.
Yeah, he's
Oh
spitting the
my god,
chicken
that's
out.
pretty funny.
But I don't hear anything, though.
No, I'm not streaming it through. Oh my gosh, this is freaking hilarious.
My mother-in-law just walking
I,
in with me, looking this chicken here.
here,
I see how you work.
play them this. I'll stick it in general.
Okay, I see how this work. You're working real hard, huh?
Oh my heck. This is spectacular. This is like the next best thing ever. There's time with family, there's trading, and then there's listening to this guy with his rubber chicken.
What the heck is that? No shit. No
What?
way. Now
What? What?
listen
What?
to the
What am I
chicken.
missing?
Oh,
Oh,
my
yeah.
wife is calling out to, I guess her mom called her. Hold on, guys. I need to delete this. Hold on. I'll be right back.
Jeez.
Spectacular.
Hey, Doyle.
Hey, Greg.
Hey, what are your thoughts on the stochastic RSI?
Yeah, yeah, it's good. Stochastics is kind of stochastics RSI, anyways.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah. It's just a little bit smoother than the stochastics RSI.
Gotcha. Okay. And that makes sense. Yeah. Yep.
Since I'm predominantly using the next time frame to do my entries, and I'm using this time frame to look for, hey, for example, like, the yellow's currently pointing down. Here was a good example of a short, right? You able to see my chart?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
All right. So right here, yellow is kind of flat, maybe a little bit down right
Yep.
there. And then blue did a crossover down. And so that was a short indicator. And then this purple one, which is the current time frame,
Yep.
that's an entry signal. And so
Gotcha.
that says go short. That's why I entered this trade short, like right about there.
Mm.
That was that was purdy. And then 3 minute shows it too, right? You got the 3 minute given a signal right here. And you have another small signal here, and then it just kind of bottomed out. It gave a long
Yep.
signal right there.
Yep.
So I like to scalp with those.
Yeah. Exactly.
But you're going to say your purple line is golden this time.
My purple line? That purple line is view up.
No, 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 no.
The purple dotted one?
No, no, no. Just referring to the purple line
Oh,
that you're
this one. Yeah,
showing.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, the
yeah,
current time frame.
yeah. Exactly. Like when that purple line pop up, you're like, oh, that's a short signal.
Hmm.
And when that purple line on the right screen, when it retraces back down, you're like, oh, that's a long signal. So
Yeah,
just saying.
they line up best whenever they're in sequential order. So, for example, like right here, the blue is on top of yellow, purple is on top of blue. That speaks to, um, the nearer term strength is higher. And so you can see that the closest strength is the highest one, and then the next time frame is next highest, and then next highest. And so when they're stacked like that, I think those are higher probability entries. But like, let's see, where's an example where it misbehaved? Like right here. That's a great example right there too. But yeah, right here. So well, the yellow's up, so nope. Here we go, right here. So like right here, yellow's down, but the blue and the purple are both above the yellow, which basically speaks to your closer term time frames are actually stronger to the upside than your current trend. And so even though it worked out, you're kind of that's weak because your early trend indicator is actually, hey, the trend may be reversing. Because the low on that purple was like right here on this low. And then when we came over here and we made this next lower low right there, the stochastics was not making lower lows. So I wouldn't have been able to trade this move based on the 3 minute.
So that's yesterday's, right? That's what you're
Yeah.
looking
Yeah,
at.
that's yesterday's chop. Yesterday's entry signal on that falling knife was kind of mixed because the blue crossover happened in between the yellow while it was smoothing out. And then purple gave a pullback right there, right before the knife happened.
Is there a way you can look at 3 a.m.? I'm just curious to see what
Today,
your blue
3
and
a.m.
purple light.
Purple had gotten really strong right there. This would have been 5 a.m. Eastern.
Right. Yeah, that was 5 a.m.
Yeah. And so, yeah. Now, right here was an entry signal.
Right. Right. But usually it's the blue that drops below the purple, right?
No, the purple is the fastest time frame, and so it should lead. Purple's faster than blue, faster than yellow. So technically, the purple should be the front runner. The blue should follow it, and then the yellow should follow. And then when purple or blue gives you a pullback, that's the pullback entry. That's how you get in on the next wave. Yeah, the UK Open can be kind of interesting because the market is so quiet up until then, and the UK's got a notorious habit of moving the market kind of, fairly aggressively for after hours trading one direction, and then when that trend line breaks, it moves the other direction. Sometimes it just takes off, but most of the time it runs up and then runs right back down.
Yeah, I mean, last night I was just trading, going along, playing. Um, I guess to move from like 11 all the way up
So
to
this
30.
Yeah, this yellow is kind of, what I consider my directional indicator. The yellow is the same as the blue on my 9 minute. And so that's my directional filter, especially when I'm scalping. I really like to scalp in the direction of what this yellow on the 3 minute is headed. Because the yellow started sloping down right here, and then right here it crossed over. And so this entire time frame through here, it's telling you to only take shorts until you get down here in the bottom and it starts to chop because you're in that, very, very strong to the downside. So at that point,
Right.
it's you need
Right.
to move
Yeah.
to a smaller time frame to see what's happening. And that's where you'd be looking at this guy at that point.
Yeah. I mean, that's also when we had macro data coming out too.
Yeah. Where's that this morning? Here we go. So right around here is where we start to bottom off. So it's kind of buried in here, but you see the red. The red is down, the red is down, the red is down. And then right here, the red starts to slope up. And right here, it gets close, but it's still down. Right there, it crosses and then crosses back. And when it's doing that, you should just stay out. Right there, you can visibly see that it's up. And so when this blue one crosses up, that's a buy signal. There. Then you just wait the next one. And then the next thing that happened was the freaking falling knife for the open. Oh, that's pre-open. That's the freaking CPI report. Was it CPI? What was it today?
I think
It
jobless
wasn't
claim.
CPI.
Jobless claim.
Yeah, there was
No.
jobless claim and there was a red
Uh,
report.
yeah, it was the core inflation rate.
Yeah, that's what it was. Core inflation was worse than expected. I don't know why they keep thinking it's going to be good. I mean, labor rates are going up and supply chain problems haven't been fixed. So why do they keep thinking inflation's going to be good? That's like magically thinking unemployment's just going to fix itself.
Because they can fix all the other numbers, they just can't fix this one.
Yeah, true, right? They can manipulate the stock market by how many assets they purchase and crap like that. They can try to manipulate business by holding interest rates down. But the problem is things like inflation are just completely outside of the Fed's control.
Yep.
Plus, this global pandemic that we're in, we haven't seen this since 1918. And there is nothing about our economy that's like 1918. How long did that last?
What last? I'm sorry.
Spanish flu?
I think maybe up to 21, 22.
Let's see. 1918 to 1920. So yeah, from February of 1918 to April of 1920. So it took the world 2 years and 2 months
But hold on one
to get out
59.
of it.
Hold on, but then we did not travel like we do today. We
Well,
did not
the
move as we do
part of
today.
what spread it was all the soldiers coming home from the war, and they basically took it out of the trenches and everybody took it home.
Yeah.
And you're right. The other thing is we didn't have access to the medicine then that we have access to today.
No, even medicine is the traveling and moving from one area to the other, and
Well, the
Yeah.
travel is
getting
affecting the spread rate,
together and
right? Did we understand germs then the way had we figured out how germs work by 1918?
not sure. I have no knowledge on that.
I mean, surgeons used to, especially like on the battlefield and stuff, they used to just, wash their hands in water and consider that clean. They didn't understand that just rinsing off that scalpel between me and you would give me whatever you had. Which is funny because Plato and Socrates taught about all this crap in their schools thousands of years ago. Freaking Socrates taught that matter as we know it doesn't even exist, that everything around us is either a series of sound or light vibrations. And now we've dissected everything up, and the smallest particle we can find are quarks, which are sound vibrations. Now, the question is how the heck did he come up with that? BC.
Yeah.
Crazy how smart they were back then with no technology or anything.
Well, it kind of makes me look at, the Dark Ages when we lost the Library of Alexandria. We probably set our civilization back by well over 1,000 years, by just losing those libraries during the Dark Ages. I mean, those
That's crazy
Inca
to think
stones.
about.
Yeah, those Inca stones that were found down in Peru, they've got surgical procedures on them that we're just now starting to understand how to do. Those things are carved in stone and found on some farm in a cave on some farmer's property. They're estimated to be thousands of years old.
Christianity.
What?
Oh, burning of the Library of Alexandria.
Oh,
Still a battery going that rings a
wait,
bell.
was that Crusades?
Wasn't it?
No, I thought that was just all the crazy crap during the Dark Ages. You got me wondering now, who burned?
Battery that rings a bell, and it's been going
See,
for like 120 years.
here's an example of how much my systems are listening to me. I just typed who burned, and it auto-completed the Library of Alexandria. Wow. Julius Caesar. Freaking A. Really?
And what a jerk.
48 BC.
Huh.
That was part of his Burn the Boats campaign. Burn the boats and destroy all of their freaking literature. Oh, how about that? Learn something today. Well. That's crazy. But still, BC.
Yeah.
So you were asking about the germ theory there?
Yeah.
Louis Pasteur in like 1860-ish.
Oh,
Louis
okay.
Pasteur and Robert
1860.
Koch, French and German, they kind of came up with that idea.
So we knew about germ theory then during the freaking war and brought all that crap home with us anyways.
I mean, we knew about germs.
I mean, we were at war in trenches. People were the life expectancy, the flu wasn't your issue. It's just all the freaking survivors that came home with the flu.
Now there was a Hungarian physician back in 1847, Ignaz Semmelweis. He proposed hand washing by doctors, and they thought he was crazy.
That's pretty good.
That's funny.
Yeah, I mean, he actually did studies where, where a physician, if they wash their hand before they go, and and have women, and so he noticed that the rate of infection of those women who gave birth went down. If you wash your hands
Based on
before
washing
delivery.
hands.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
The irony is he kind of became crazy and he was put into an asylum, and
Yeah.
he actually died from an infection from a physician who didn't wash their hand, who came in to
There is
see him.
irony in that, isn't there?
Yeah.
That's the thing about those beautiful minds is they tend to go freaking nuts. It's almost like they're tapped into a consciousness that they don't belong to yet. Dude, I hate when price does this. You see what's going on here? My left chart? I had this trend line from this downtrend, this fall that we had. And so I've got these two spots right here kind of anchored. And now we broke through that downtrend, came up, and we've just been riding that trend line down this whole freaking time. Oh my gosh, I hate when price does that because I don't trust anything about it at that point. I don't trust that it's going to go down, and I can't trust that it's going to break a trend up. The only thing that you can kind of do is draw a channel so we can create a duplicate line and just kind of channel it and watch how that channel behaves. It's not parallel. Yeah, it is. It's a freaking illusion. It's just an illusion. That's weird. Could be an H forming here, or a very large bearish harmonic. Or this could be the fifth leg on the 3 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To take us down to S1. Which I think S1, if I look at my 30-minute volume gap, I think S1 was through the 30-minute volume gap. Oh yeah. Yeah, a
If I
couple of things
recall,
going on.
it was Greg who said, "Isn't this the fifth wave down?" Right?
Yeah, it
Yeah, I think
was.
so.
Yep.
So a couple of things happening there. Just below S2, not S1, we've got a volume gap that price just hasn't really traded in right here. And then this gray horizontal line is the, what was that, 25, 12? Yeah, that's the 12 period EMA on the daily. But this market has slowed down.
All right. With that, I think I'm gonna call it a day and head to the pharmacy. You guys
All
trade
right,
well,
man.
right?
I'm getting
Yep.
ready to call here in a little bit as well.
All right. Take care.
You too.
Yeah, man. Later. Well, Earn to Trade is about to start sending more people from paper trading to live trading. They apparently couldn't send NinjaTrader to live trading, and so they were doing a leader follower paper account with it. And I just got an email from them that they are thrilled to announce NinjaTrader is now available without the leader follower system on live accounts.
What?
Earn to Trade. A lot of their accounts just stayed on paper pretty much forever because the NinjaTrader didn't work on their live prop firm.
Ah, okay, gotcha.
So they acted like Lilu, right?
Mhm.
You paper traded, they copied, and they cut you a check.
Mhm.
But now NinjaTrader is supported by their whoever their funding partner is.
Gonna be doing a delagging here now on a 30 seconds. Do the H, double tap. Let's see if we do a continuation here or what.
Rejected.
But it's a big candle for not much volume for the size of candle what it is, you know?
Mm-hmm. Candles like that are designed to take people out.
Yeah. And or me getting in.
I got in this trade really. Fifth wave on the 3 minute never played out. Never made a new low.
No, did not.
I'm gonna kill this.
I got 10 points on a bunch of contracts and set main few, and I have one set on the bottom of the trend at 120. And I have take profit at 140. But I might change that depending how it goes. Candles are smaller again, huh? It's like, why it's not moving much? But candles are 2, 3 points candles instead 20-point candles. That makes a little bit difference.